Hi, Diego Mangabeira here, founder of Mind Alchemy Academy and Mangabeira Academy. I want to talk to you on this video how to use the power of sacred geometry. It's really important because some people does want to know what is this sacred geometry and how this can change my life, can change my business, can change my health, my wealth, my prosperity, everything, okay, the relationship that I have. And before I start, I want to invite you to subscribe to our channel, to this podcast that you are listening right now, and also to click the ring button just to be aware of new videos, new podcasts that we have here. And also thumbs up, okay, like and comment here. It's really important to us to support the channel and the podcast. Okay, let's start with the first thing that I want to talk to you is what is sacred geometry, okay? As a student of the ancient civilizations, and I love to study history of mankind, of this kind of dimensions, realities that we live in physics, quantum physics. We have our method that's called mind alchemy. So I am an alchemist. I need to understand and to share with you. This is amazing. This is travel to our origin as mankind, as human beings in the whole universe, multiverse that we live, full of alien civilizations as well. We are part of that. Okay, we are energy, and there are a lot of people with the same energy as ours. Okay, and when we go to sacred geometry, we understand that a lot of things, all the things that are created in this universe, in this existence, God, the way you want to call it, okay, is related to the same origin. Okay, that's mathematics, okay? And even Pythagoras, a great Greek philosopher and also a mathematician, he said everything is mathematical, okay? And what is this about? It's related to an old saying, an old study. We have a great school that even Plato worked with Pythagoras about that, and we have this kind of studies all throughout the history of mankind, but we lost in this era. So we are kind of reevaluating what's sacred geometry. It's part of the flowers, it's part of the plants. Even Fibonacci in the Renaissance, he was really close to Leonardo da Vinci. He was really close, and he discovered the Fibonacci, probably you know, Fibonacci numbers. So we have this the same geometry of the numbers and the building of things, or even the construction of a flower. Okay, when a flower is blowing, when we have a sunshine or even a sunset, everything is mathematical. So we can calculate. We have curves, we have lines, we have circles, we have spheres. And this is the magic of life, because inside of you, deep inside your body, everything is mathematical, as Pythagoras said in Greece. And when we sense that, we can understand, for instance, if you are facing a healthy problem, most of the time is related to sacred geometry, because something is not geometrical. Okay, guard that word. Okay, mark that word. Mathematical. Okay, if you're having a problem, for instance, we have the heart, we have the left part and the right part. If we have a problem in the left, probably it will collapse the right, because everything needs to be balanced or even recalibrated. That's why if you understand the instinct meaning of the sacred geometry, you can have a better life, a better business, better relationship, better money, okay? New money in your life, and even new relationships that establish just new vibration that you want to accomplish, even colleagues, work, jobs, experiences, travels that you want to do. Everything connects with it. It's like a meaning deep inside of you of who you are, okay, who you are, and what disconnects me with you that is watching you or even listen to this podcast. Second part I want you to talk to you is that everything is mathematical and geometrical, okay? If you put that in your mind, in your heart, you understand if something is wrong, something will be bad happening. Okay, it's like a car. Let's figure it out with a car example. If you have a bad tire in the right side, you know what will going on. Okay, what will go on. You understand that that flat tire will be really bad for you. Will create an accident, a crash. Okay, and it's the same as our body. Okay, it's the same of our brain. If you understand, we have the right side, we have the left side. One's related to the reason, one's related to the emotion. If we not connect reason with emotion, we have a rational guy, a rational woman, and a reasonable woman, a reasonable guy, and an emotional guy, an emotional woman. Okay, we need to understand that they need to connect. Because you're not using 100% of that. It's the same. Everything is mathematical and geometrical. The third part, law of correspondence and vibration. As an alchemist, we study that a lot. Even Hermes Trismegistus in the old Egypt and his initiates, we have the great book that I want to recommend to you. This is called Kabbalion. Okay, he speaks a lot of that, but we can understand it's not only a he, but it's like a childhood, a brotherhood of the light. Okay, and when we understand that this sacred geometry creates inside of you the correspondence, you attract the same as you are. So if you want new clients, positive clients, new relationships, positive relationships, you need to be that guy, you need to be that woman. Okay, to vibrate this positive vibration. Okay, the same is related to this instinct that you have that you want to grow. If you want to grow, you need to be in motion. If you are in an apathy state, if you are in the sad state right now, if you are so stressful because of things happening to you, it's really hard for you to accomplish what you want in life. That's why you need to evaluate, to use this correspondence, that's alchemical laws that we use here in Mind Alchemy, in order to transfer that, to resinify that, okay, to change your brain, your heart, the energy that you have, the vibration that you have, in order to accomplish what you want. It's not so easy sometimes, yes, I know that, but it requires time, it requires money in you, it requires work, and everyone is capable of it. And you are capable of it as well. The fourth part that I want to share with you, how to use sacred geometry. I am explaining a lot of things during the video, but one thing that helped me a lot, and helps me a lot to use the sacred geometry, is related to the present mode, okay, to the present moment. Even with my clients, with my companies, because we have an international company here and many businesses. If you are connected with your team, with the people that you work with, if you are in the same vibe, if you are in the positive side of yourself, sometimes it's hard, Diego. Yeah, sometimes it's hard, but that does not mean that everything will be that way. Okay, everything is temporary. Okay, you need to understand that. You need to reevaluate what you're thinking about, what you believe. Everything is temporary. Nothing is permanent. Okay, that's the true conscience of that you need to live. So you need to be dynamic. You need to change your work. You need to change your life, your money. Okay, money that does not flow will not be in your life. Money likes money. Okay, money likes people who likes money. Okay, it's not related to greed here. It's related to the process, the flow of nature. We need to understand that. You need to understand that. Okay, then the money can happen in your life the way that it might happen to me, to you. Okay, it's related to the laws of nature. And to finalize, the fifth part is related to vibrational frequency. Okay, everything is related to a vibration. Everything is connected to energy. I am energy, you are energy. Your son, your daughter, your TV, your smartphone, okay? This video is energy. This podcast is energy. My words are energy. Everything is energy. So to leverage your vibration frequency, you need to be up on your life, okay? You need to be to fulfill more things that you are not fulfilling right now. sensing that happening right now. And the sacred geometry can help you with that. Sometimes you do not understand how to apply it. So what I would recommend to you, there's a first link in the description, okay? I would invite you to push that button, okay? Even in the podcast or even the video, just click the first button in the description. We have a solution that might help you to know our work better, and also to understand that when you invest in yourself, you're changing that communication that you have to yourself. And sometimes you need that. You need to go to the next level. And to go to the next level, you need to invest in you, in your energy, okay? So push the button, the first link in the description, the video on the podcast, in order to know our work, and also we can help you with that, okay? I wish you a great day and enjoy the subscribe button, okay? Enjoy on this time, and push the button with the ring. This is really important. Like and comment. I want to know you more, okay? I wish you a great day of light and prosperity. We see each other in new videos and podcasts, okay? I wish you a great day. Take care. Bye.